Have you ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? Surprisingly, it can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour. But that's not all. Each sneeze can eject thousands of tiny droplets, effectively launching them into the air. This incredible force is the body's way of expelling irritants and protecting our respiratory system. Picture this. A single sneeze can spread germs as far as 30 feet. To put it in perspective, that's like launching a tiny missile every time you need to clear your nasal passages. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember the extraordinary science behind this everyday phenomenon that keeps us healthy and shares the power of our body's defense mechanisms.